Hi, I'm your marking specialist today, and we will be talking about how to properly clean your parts. This is our APC cleaner, and this acts as a neutralizer, but it isn't a neutralizer. And what we do is we use a wet rag and a dry rag to clean our parts. For example, this is a part that I marked with our MSC1 electrolyte. So this right here has electrolyte. Just to give you an example of how the APC cleaner works. If I just pour a little bit of APC cleaner, it's gonna start going towards the electrolyte, and as you can see, that white residuals right there, that's the salts that are being lifted from the electrolyte. So as the APC goes towards the electrolyte, it lifts the salts. But it's very important that you get a wet rag and you clean the electrolyte. Anywhere that electrolyte has come in contact with your part, or even if it's on your fingers, you clean it. And we use a wet rag with APC, and we use a different part of the rag every time. So you can see where you've cleaned it, and then you get your dry rag and you dry off the part. And it's very important that you dry off the part because it will remove any residual salts left over from the electrolyte, and this will prevent corrosion. If you are marking a part that is highly corrosive, we recommend that you oil it after. So that is how you properly clean your parts using our APC cleaner with any electrolyte that we have. Make sure that you have a wet rag, or if you are submerging your parts in a tank of APC cleaner, that is fine. Make sure after you take the parts out that you get your dry rag and you dry off the parts. It is very important to remove any excess salts left behind that the APC cleaner did not get. And if your parts are highly corrosive, make sure you oil them. I hope this video was helpful.